Greeting, this is Marco. We're going to be looking at how we can actually use Excel to do some basic function in Excel. So I'm going to be guiding you through this particular process here. Right, it's very important. If you notice right here, how to use Excel. So these are some instructions that we're going to go through individually. So how to open an Excel spreadsheet, how to save the worksheet, how to move from one cell to another, how to enter data in the spreadsheet, how to insert a row and column, how to rename the spreadsheet. So these are what we're going to actually look at. Right. So the first thing that we wanted to do, we want to come right here. We're going to right click. We're going to come down to the word new. We're going to scroll over here, and this is Service Excel. We're going to click on it. So we're going to put the cursor on it. We're going to right click and click open. So click open. There you go. So that's the Service Excel sheet. So what I want to look at now next is how to save it. Right. So we're going to save the Excel sheet now. So the next thing that we wanted to do is to come right here to your far left file and click on Word file. Then we're going to come down to the word Save As. Click on the word Save As. You can either click More Option or Browse here, and it will take you directly to the desktop. Right? I'm going to put something here by those box spacing there, and I'll select the word Worksheet remain. And then I'm going to come right here, scroll bar, click on the word Desktop. I'm going to save it on the desktop. So that is very important that you actually complete the second task. So the third task, now we're going to how to move from one cell to another cell. Right, so we're going to do that. Right, notice this little box here. If you use the arrow key, you can carry it to the right. If you use the down arrow, you can come right here. If I use the cursor and click right in this box, it can actually take us to and from. But each one of the boxes that I click in, it have a name. So when I click in this box, what this box really name. If you notice right up here, it says the name bar. So it's E5. So if I click over here, it also show me here is G3. If I come all the way over here, it said A10. So all of these have name. So I can actually use the arrow key, navigate up, down, all of that. I can also use the tab key. I can also use the enter key. So that's how we can actually move about there. So now we know exactly how to move about. Right, so we're going to move on to the next instruction. So the next instruction is how to enter data in the spreadsheet. All right, so we're going to enter some data. All right, so notice right up here is the formula bar. So anything that you type in here, you will straight through right up here. All right, so I'm going to type some data in here. So I'm going to write something here and look at it carefully. What it's going to be look like here. So I press the down arrow. And I'm going to type here. I'm going to press the down arrow again. I'm going to type something again. All right, I'm going to press the right arrow. Then I'm going to put some number. I'm going to press the up arrow. I'm going to put some number. I'm going to press the up arrow also again. So now I'm going to press the right arrow. I'm going to put two numbers. I'm going to press the down arrow. I'm going to put a number. I also press the down arrow here. So now we actually put some data in it now. So we're going to look and what we're going to do next. Right? Notice we say must insert columns and row. So we're going to try and insert that particular column and row now. So what if we want to insert a column and row in between this here, between A and B? So actually click here, right? And we're going to right click is say insert, right? So notice it's a shift cell down, shift cell, no, shift cell down and shift cell to the right. So we want to put in a column. So we're going to click here, entire column, and click OK. If you notice, we have a column in between here, right? So if we want a row now in between here, we're going to click here, and we're going to right click, come to insert, notice the entire row, click into that, I press this. If you notice, there's a whole entire row in between here, right? So very important. I'll bring up the next instruction and see what exactly will come up. It's how to rename the spreadsheet, right? So you're going to rename spreadsheet. You're going to come all the way down here. Where you see the name, it's under sheet 1. So I'm going to right click on it. Notice this is word rename. I'm going to click on word rename. I'm going to type worksheet here, worksheet here, and then I press enter. So you notice right here, that's how it actually goes. So very important. So I want us to pay close attention to this, and I hope you have learned something from this particular video here.